Hi there, my name is Seva, and I'm the co-founder of the ABC Digital Downloads app for Shopify. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a custom domain for your emails. A custom domain lets you send digital download emails from your own domain instead of a generic address. This makes your store look more professional and builds trust with your customers and keeps your branding more consistent. In order to get started, head over to the ABC Digital Downloads app and click on Settings in the left-hand sidebar. Then you'll want to go ahead and scroll to the bottom where we have Custom Email Settings. Now go ahead and enter the email that you'll want to use to send out your messages. In this case, we'll do mail at our domain name and click Create. This will go ahead and create all the records necessary that you'll want to upload into your domain host. In this case, we're using Namecheap, but the instructions will be pretty similar if you're using another host for your domain. Now, here we have all of our CNAME records, as well as our SPF record. You'll want to go ahead and copy over your CNAME record. Now, some DNS providers will append the domain name to the record. So if I copy this whole thing, some will actually shorten it. And we can see here in Namecheap that this value is actually a little bit too long. So what we want to do is actually just copy right up to the period here before the actual domain. Go ahead and copy that over and paste that to our host. Now, copy the value over and paste that to the target value and click Save. Go ahead and do that for the other two values here as well. Copy, add new record, CNAME, paste that for the target, and our last one here as well. Copy that. Now we'll go ahead and copy the value and save. Now the last thing we want to do is make sure that we update the SPF record as well. So in this case, we'll go ahead and copy the text value for the SPF record. Go to Advanced DNS, and here we have our SPF. Edit and paste that, and click Save. If you already have an SPF record, just make sure you have the includes Amazon SES, and that will be just fine. But if you don't have an SPF record, we'll want to go ahead and paste this entire value in, and for the host, we'll just do @ for our domain, and then we'll head over back to ABC Digital Downloads app. Now, this sometimes takes up to 24 hours to verify. It could sometimes take less, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. So we'll give it a little bit of time, we'll check back, and then we'll verify our records here. Now, as we can see, the domain name has now been successfully verified with the email address, and all of our outgoing emails from ABC Digital Downloads app, including our download links, are now going to be from our branded domain name. And that's how easy it is to set up a custom email domain in ABC Digital Downloads.